Hello everyone, it's almost Christmas and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I wrap my Christmas presents. There's going to be more than one way of doing this, but this is what works for me. So if there's other way that works for you or you think you have a better way of doing it, please make sure to leave a comment down below and let's get started. So the first thing I do is I measure the length of the box. So I'm going to go to the edge of the wrapper and then I just put it up once, okay? And basically, this is my first cutoff. And what I'll do is I'll add at least 1 inch to it, okay? So I'll go to this. You don't have to do the marker, but I just do it so that you have a visual on what I'm doing right now. So that's the first one. So this is gonna be the length of the box that I'm gonna be cutting. And then the next will be the width of the wrapper. So what I'm gonna do is first is I'll line it up here, okay? And let me go move this thing right here. And then I'll go 1, 2, and 3, okay? So the box is actually this width right here. So if I cut it right here and right here, I'm gonna be wrapping the box basically, and there's no excess wrapper. But for me, I would like to get an extra, maybe about 3 inches to the box. So I'm gonna be going to this line right here, okay? And basically, I'll be ending up right here. So I have a guideline right here. I don't really need to do the markers, but I'm just doing this so that you can easily see the cut that I'm gonna do, okay? So if you have a sharp scissor, you can actually just go like this, start it, and then you can just push it, and it will just cut it. That's the fast way of doing it. And then I'll go right here. And next is basically I'll just put the box right in the center of the wrapper. And I'll just fold it like this. So this is my first fold. And I'll grab my tape. Now the reason I put an extra paper when I measure it earlier is so that I can do a fold in the middle. So just go like this. And then I'll fold it right here. Then I'll just do another fold here. Okay. And then I'll just fold it in the corner right here. Okay. So now if you look over here, it's gonna look like this. And then I'll get my tape. If you have a double-sided tape, it's better. It's easier to use it. I don't have one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fold this in the middle and put it right here inside, okay? And then I'll just go ahead and put it upside down, fold it right here, and fold this one right over here. So it looks like this, right? So this, and then this right here. I'm gonna go do the same thing right here. So I'll just fold it like this. Then do another fold right here. And now I can fold this thing this way right here. And this one here. So now the reason I made put an extra paper on the width is so that I can fold this thing up like this. Okay. So now I just have to tape it. And then do the same thing on the other side. So I can just put it right here in the middle. Or I can put it on both ends right here. And there you go. So this is how you wrap your Christmas present. And I hope that you found this video helpful. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.